This is pretty much the home screen of the application. You have the recover photo section, you have the recover video section, other files, pretty much documents, and you have the files recover section as well. So does this application work? So I'm sorry to say, guys, this application doesn't work what you may think. And if you have deleted your documents or any files before you have installed this application, it will not work for you. So it will not be able to recover those documents that you have deleted before you have installed the application. And if I do tap on the recover option here, as you can see, we'll just ask for permission to access the files and we'll start scanning. But we'll just only find the application that's already on the device, nothing much. We'll just only do that. So can't recover the photos that you have deleted before you have installed the application. As you can see, no photo for recovery. Only time you'll be able to recover photos or documents or anything like that is unless you have installed the application before you have deleted any files. Same thing for the recover option here and the recover other files option in the file section here. Same thing. So once you have selected any one of these, we'll start scanning and we'll pretty much just see no documents or files found. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if you do have any other questions that you may want to ask me, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you out.